So if you don't have about $30 or above, you can no longer use Grok to generate images and videos for your clips and content. But that's not the end. Here is another app that can help you to generate images, create amazing videos, all for free. This is the site right now. You can check my screen. Okay? If you look up, you see www.meta AI. Okay, so go on to Meta AI, sign up using your Facebook or Instagram, and you can use the site to create images and videos as much as you want. Well, I don't like talking much. I like to show practical. So let's just try to create a video. Just try to create a video, okay? You can create images. Let's create a video. I've tried to create one and it was good. Okay, let's just give it a prompt. Animate a video of a child dancing with a dog. I just want to leave it simple. I want to allow you to, decide where they will be dancing, whether at the beach or at home or somewhere else, maybe outdoor. So let's go. Now, to be honest, Grok may be faster, but this is really cool. And for the fact that it is free, it actually gives us without being told, it gives you four options. So you can decide to use any of them. You can decide to use all, or you can decide to use two. It depends on what you want to do. It depends on what you intend to accomplish with your content. So you may need to wait a bit for it, or understand, to be able to create out videos, imagine it, and give you the full work. All right. Okay, I think it's done. It's done. Let's see. Let's see what it has come up with. Okay, so let's start to play this. Okay, 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 okay. All right, this is cool. It's cool. So you will download. I'll just take all of them. Okay. So I'll just take all of them. I'll just download the all. So now this is what I advise. You can decide to make the video better. Like, can decide to add sounds. Can create sounds using Gemini. Okay, you can create sounds. You can create audio. Whatever you want to do, you can make it better. Okay, you can decide to add voiceover. All right, so you can make it better. But I think I'm cool with this, and I'm also cool with the color. Actually, I don't like colors that are too bright. So the colors are not bad for me. Okay. So guys, don't be sad that Grok is out now. You can no longer use this for free. Although if you have the funds, it's still good to buy. Okay, to buy the pro version. But there are a lot of apps or sites that can actually give you images as well. There is Flow or Nano Banana. Yeah, you can search for this Flow or Nano Banana. You can find it. Okay, it's still a site that gives you free images. There is Wix, but Wix is also moving over to Flow, right? And we also have ImageFS, but ImageFS as well. It seems they have also sold the site to Nano Banana or Flow. Okay, Nano Banana Flow is the same, all right? They're the same people. Okay, but Wix and ImageFS, they are moving over to Flow right now. Okay, guys, so don't be sad. What I would advise you as a content creator, you don't have to be stagnant. You don't have to just focus on one site, even if it's the best. Explore while you can. Explore. Try to find out if there are other apps that can do the same, so that when you are stuck, when that site no longer working, it doesn't stop your content, it doesn't stop you from creating content. You understand? Because as content creators, the more you create, the more the algorithm recognizes you, and the more you keep pushing your video. But if you are stuck, then the algorithm will almost forget you. And before you start, before you can start growing back again, it will take you time. And sometimes that can get you, discouraged or burnt out. See you on the next videos, guys.